Welcome to this video. Today, you're going to learn how to use regarded as and considered. These are two words that have the same meaning, but they're different grammar and different sentence structures. So you'll learn how to use them fluently in this lesson. Of course, I'm Jennifer from JForrestEnglish.com, and this channel is dedicated to helping you feel confident speaking English in public so you can take your career and your life to the next level. Now, before we go any further, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new lesson. Now, let's dive in with this lesson. Let's talk about how to use regarded as and considered. First, let's take a look at these two examples. She's regarded as an expert. She's considered an expert. Both of these examples have the exact same meaning. There's no difference at all. And both of them are just used to say you have an opinion on a topic or there's a general consensus on a topic. So when we say she's regarded as an expert, she's considered an expert, we're saying the general consensus is she's an expert. Most people have the opinion that she's an expert. That's what it means. So a very simple meaning, it's a nice advanced expression that you can use to sound more advanced in your speech. But what do you notice about the sentence structure? Well, you might notice that in the first one, we have regarded as. We're using as. She's regarded as an expert. But then with considered, we don't have as. She's considered an expert. So there's that difference in sentence structure. Now, this is actually a mistake that many native speakers make. Many native speakers will say, she's considered as an expert. But you don't need to do that because considered is not a verb that requires as. So there's no reason to include it at all. But remember, you will hear native speakers use it from time to time. My recommendation to you is don't use it because it's not required and it sounds more awkward to have it. But you need to use it with regarded as. You cannot say she's regarded an expert. That sounds very awkward. It's mandatory to have as. She's regarded as an expert. Now, one thing you can do with considered is you can use the verb to be. She's considered to be an expert. Now, this is grammatically correct, but it isn't necessary. You don't need to use the verb to be. You can just use considered and then the opinion. You state the opinion, an expert. She's considered an expert. So that would be my recommendation to you. So let's look at an example I saw on Youglish using regarded as. But gossip, celebrity gossip, it's regarded as a distraction. So notice here, we have our opinion, celebrity gossip is a distraction. So you can simply make a statement like that. It sounds more affirmative, like you're stating a fact. So if you want to make it sound like it's not a fact, it's an opinion held by many people, is the general consensus, then you can use regarded as. Celebrity gossip is regarded as a distraction. Many people think that. Many people have the opinion. Now let's look at an example on Youglish using considered. Node.js is considered fast, thanks mostly to Chrome's V8 engine. So notice here, we don't say considered as fast, although remember I said probably about 10 to 20% of native speakers will just use as because they probably are thinking about regarded as and they just use the same pattern, but you don't need it. And it sounds better without it because the verb does not require as grammatically, so there's no point using it. Node.js, which I have no idea what that is, some sort of programming language, I'm going to assume. Do you know what Node.js is? You can let me know in the comments. I don't even know if I'm saying it correctly. Node.js is considered fast. So remember, I can make a statement and just say Node.js is fast, but then it sounds like it's a fact. It's fast 100% of the time. But if I just want to make it sound like it's an opinion, it's what most people think, it's the general consensus, then I can use considered. Node.js is considered fast. Remember, you can add that optional to be. It's considered to be fast, but again, it isn't required. So it's cleaner, it's simpler, it's best to just say considered and then the something is considered fast. But remember, regarded as and considered have the exact same meaning. So you can definitely use them interchangeably, but you just have to make sure you have the sentence structure correct. So I could say celebrity gossip is considered a distraction, or I could say Node.js is regarded as fast. It doesn't matter which one you use, but just make sure you get the sentence structure when you use each one. So now it's your turn to practice. I want you to leave 2 examples, one with regarded as and one with considered, in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe. And before you go, make sure you head on over to my website, JForrestEnglish.com, and download your free speaking guide. In this guide, I share 6 tips on how to speak English fluently and confidently. And until next time, happy studying. Awesome job with this lesson. And remember, if you know what Node.js is, let me know what it is in the comments. And am I even saying it right? Let me know in the comments as well. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.